financially in the business and just got into this hole because all I could see was debt. I never put the debt in the thing that is my favorite thing on earth would be an Excel sheet and just do a plan and, a solution, because that's what I do. But that's the biggest thing that I lost. And because of that, I think things that usually would come easy for me, like doing the actual job, I couldn't do it anymore. All of a sudden, I became a bad technician also. I really now thought, there's nothing happening, so I'm failing as a business owner. But I also then started failing as a technician, the work that I once loved and I was confident in, I could do it quickly. I couldn't do it anymore. I couldn't do the work anymore. Nothing made sense for me anymore. It took so long to get something done. And at that time, I was the only person left. So if I'm not doing the work, nothing is getting done. And I think it took me a few years where I had 2 clients at the time, and literally 2 clients at the time, and they could pay for my rent and they could pay for me to eat. So I think no one actually just knew how deep it was because you get so good at lying.